Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm an Australian Shepherd, but more importantly, I'm an agility dog. I started learning about agility when I was just a pup. My mom helped me learn all the equipment, and she taught me some commands I needed to compete. I learned how to jump and go through the weave poles and the tunnels, which are my favorites. I learned the tire jump and even the dog walk, just to name a few. We practice at home with our own equipment that my daddy made us. It's mostly playtime, and I get treats, or sometimes we play with toys. I like going fast, but mostly I like going to trials where we compete on fun courses and race the clock. Sometimes we mess up, like I go into the wrong tunnel entrance. Or I miss the yellow contact that I'm supposed to touch. Sometimes I'm going too fast to make those weave pole entrances. Or I pop out of the poles before I get through them. And I have knocked an occasional bar. A lot can go wrong. It's fun to watch all the handlers walking the course. They pretend they have dogs with them and point and run and spin. And we have a lot of successful runs, because I'm a great dog. My mom says so.